Good morning everyone, Philip from BlackBull Markets here. Hope you're doing well. Just a quick video, just wanted to show you for our IBs or introducing brokers out there how to generate your IB link that you will be given to your clients. So first of all, the first thing you'd want to do is to click on the client login. This is your client portal. So if you go to our markets, on our website at blackbullmarkets.com, you will see there's a little button at the top here that says client login. Click on that. You will then be taken to a new tab that will open up you to this section over here. You will just need to enter your login details and your password for your client portal area. And what we're looking for is you will scroll down to the bottom. You'll see right here that says introducing broker or IB. Click on the partner area and then go to my promo material. And what you'd need to do then is select the IB account that you'd like to generate the link for, or that you're going to provide to your clients. So in this case, we only have this account set up, just this test account, and we will generate that link. And you can see here, here's your referral URL. This is the link you will provide to your clients. So if they click on this link and sign up for an account, they will then be put under your IB. You know, all these are just different banners if you would want to use them on websites and such. That is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do give us that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button followed by the bell icon to get notifications of whenever we release new videos. If you want to get in contact with us, please do so. Contact details will be provided down below in the description of the video. If you want to email us, please do so. You can email us at support@blackbullmarkets.com. If you want to contact us via live chat, you can do so. Go to our website at blackbullmarkets.com, click on the little green button that says live chat, and our support team will be there waiting for you. Alright, thank you very much for watching. From everyone here at BlackBull Markets, safe trading.